Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork on this vehicle, black kidney grills at the front. We've also got a full M Performance kit on this car. Coming around to this corner, you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel. We've got the charging port just there. This is a hybrid vehicle, so you will get ultra low running costs whilst driving this around. We've got the colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, shark fin antenna. We've also got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. There's a look at that third alloy wheel. We've got some eDrive badging just there. We've also got front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside, dual exit exhaust tips on the bottom left. We've also got the spoiler, which really sets the back end off nicely, and there's a look at that. Now opening up the boot, we've got a great amount of space in here, as you can see. Charging cables on the left, we've got a storage net on the right. Closing that up, you'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now then, going on to the interior next, we have got the full leather interior, and how great do these seats look. Now we've got ISO fixed points within these seats. We've got a fold down armrest in the centre, we've got the vents in the middle, the 12-volt connectivity, storage nets behind the front passengers. How fantastic a job of developers done with these striped carpets just there. We've also got the integrated speakers, electric windows and brushed metal handle on the doors. Coming into the front now, I'm just going to knock the ignition off. 1 second. There we go, we've got that same full leather interior, and again, how great do these seats look. Now on the doors here, we've got our Harman Kardon sound system. So the sound in here is fantastic. Electrically adjustable wing mirrors, electric window controls, brushed metal handle, and there is a look at those door cards. Now stepping inside, auto lights on our right. We'll start the vehicle up. Start button is just behind here, and with this being a hybrid, the engine doesn't turn on until it needs to. Now taking a step back, we've got the multifunctional multifunctional steering wheel. Features like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left there. Coming into the middle, you've got your infotainment screen. So on here you'll find features like satellite navigation. We've also got different forms of media connectivity, as you can see on the screen at the moment. We've then got our phone connectivity as well to make calls or listen to music. Put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors. We've also got different driving modes in here. So you'll see here we've got things like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco. As well as these different driving modes, we've also got the eDrive modes. So you've got things like Auto, Max and Save. So you can choose which kind of hybrid system you want to use. Now working our way down, we've then got stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate control, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. We've got the additional storage space here, 2 good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity below there. Of course, we've got our gear stick, so we can engage manual mode with the gear stick as well as sport mode. Put that across and back into park as easily as that. Traction control, different driving mode selects, button for our parking sensors. We've got the eDrive button just there. We've also got our shortcuts and touchpad with control wheel for the infotainment screen. Handbrake just below, soft touch leather armrest as well, which does double up as storage, and you'll find a USB port in there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this section. I shall see you shortly in the test drive. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To change the speed is very easy. We just adjust the trigger again and we can move up in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5. And then to deactivate, we can either apply pressure to the brakes or simply press the cruise control button. Now, we've then got gear changes. So currently in 4th gear, down to 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and then down into 1st. Now, as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, there's plenty of great features to talk about in here. Of course, we've got the full leather interior, which is great for those long distance journeys, incredibly comfortable. We've also got plenty of great features on the infotainment screen, like satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, phone connectivity, etc. All tying in to the Harman Kardon sound system, so it sounds absolutely fantastic in here. The bass is great as well. Really great sounding speakers, the Harman Kardon system. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. So if you look online, you'll see that we are a 5-star dealership too. We've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a pleasant buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes there, straight into reverse as well to show that's all working. We've got the visual display of both front and rear parking sensors on the screen just there. And then one last test as we are about to drive over the speed bump, so listen out for any knocks or any bangs. There we go, completely free from any unwanted sounds throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. Now, this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed now with the online photos, a video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.